It's vlogging time! Right, we're at our new location. This is Hou Tong. It's a cat village. We're gonna go feed some cats and look around. Everything is cat related. Cats, food, cats.
The cat sign. The watch
Not
out the
eating.
cat.
I don't think we're eating cats. I don't think that's what they're doing. But everything is cat related. Oh, he's making the sound. That means. Oh look, the cats. The cat are coming.
He's coming. Oh, he's coming.
This one doesn't care. It's just like, I am cold, maybe. Alright, we're gonna feed some cats. Yay.
Oh, he's so cute. Is it a girl or a boy?
Where are they? Maybe they're...
Oh, okay, thank you.
Feed them.
Wanna try?
You. Here they come, another one comes. Maybe. Oh, here comes. Alright, this is the Hou Tong place. We're gonna take a picture with this one.
Oh, here.
Kitty cats. Alright, let's shake cheese. Cheese. I think he's scared. Alright, so some of the cats here are doctor like cared for. Like you would know if their ear is cut. And if not, then they're just stray cats that came in. So some of them are like scared to meet with people, and some of them are just fine to meet with people. But lots of cats. It's feeding time. Feed me more. Feed me more.
His ear is cut.
I think you gave too much. Look, he's running away.
Oh, it's a girl.
Oh, stop correcting me with the genders. You're looking at their...
Oh, so soft.
Oh, keep teasing him. That would have been funny.
He was hungry, maybe.
He was like, ah.
So cute. No.
He's like, I'm starving.
I know. He's hungry.
The main cat watching over his minions. Here's the lion over here. The lion. He doesn't want any.
Oh, he's not the cat that, you know.
His
the
ear is
cat
not
ear.
cut.
I think he has the, what is that, owner. He has the, just
He doesn't want it.
He's a meatball's breed. the Persian.
Mm.
Oh, he wants to run away.
He's
Oh
gonna
my
play.
Are you videotaping? Are you videotaping?
Yeah, yeah. He went in. He ran away from you.
I opened the. He's so cute. Take a picture of him.
3, 2, 1. Look. The feeling of this place is really cozy, cute, and feels like I'm in a movie or like some kind of anime adventure. It's awesome. I just feel like I'm in a real live anime right now. Things are just like very uniquely colored and texturized, and also the terrain over here. It's very beautiful out here. I love it. Cats. Look at that non-moving tiny koi.
Can I take a picture here?
This is awesome. Alright, so how much for this, sir? How much for this cat food? Can you ring me up? You're at the counter here. Are you sleeping? Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey. Hi. You hungry? And he's praying. Leave him alone. We're in the store right now. He's guarding. Oh. Was he like hissing?
Yeah, he was.
Alright, so we're in the store right now. This is a little cat store. Cats in the cat's mouth. Oh. Do you think he's hungry? Oh.
Oh, one
Yeah,
more.
oh, one more coming.
Another one.
Following you now.
Wow, 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 wow. Oh. Okay. Ooh, so cute.
Oh, this fat one is eating his food.
He's starving, this one.
Because no one cares him.
Let's go eat.
Okay, if you catch him, then we're gonna give him the.
Come on, cat. Come here. Yeah, this way. This way. Come.
이리 와.
You just want to throw the can, land it right there. Alright, so this is where we were. We are at the Hou Tong station. It's where all the cats were. It's very nice. Some little factor in history, and this one douchebag dog that tried to bite us. So we're not gonna count this as part of a good part of this place. But other than that, these cats are cool. I mean, yeah, so. Taiwan, I love you. This is an awesome place. Flags, creek, cat village. Awesome, awesome. I like it. Sweet. It's getting cold though, so